This video illustrates the integration of particle-based simulation within a virtual reality environment. In this project, a physics simulation engine has been incorporated into the Unity platform to enhance the realism and interactivity of the virtual world. The system enables real-time, three-dimensional interaction with fluids and other dynamic materials, thereby improving a sense of immersion. The framework also supports the generation of tensile structures, such as ropes, that physically interact with the surrounding environment. Similarly, cloth simulation is implemented to produce visually realistic garments that respond dynamically to external forces and users' interactions. Moreover, the system allows for the simulation of soft and deformable bodies, enabling users to modify and manipulate virtual objects in real time. Particle interactions are governed by adjustable bonding strengths, ranging from weak to strong, to represent different material properties. Finally, the simulation framework facilitates the accurate modeling and manipulation of inflatable objects, providing high-fidelity physical feedback to enhance the overall realism of a virtual experience.